A lot of people are unaware that any form of plugin support is yet available in Lightroom as opposed to Classic, but that's not quite true anymore. As of a couple of releases ago, we have round trip editing, which is a lot of the core code that contributes to plugins. So we're part of the way there. Just wanted to do a quick demo. If I come to some image in my Lightroom library and I say edit in, I get all the external apps that are registered as external editors. I'm going to choose one module from the Nick 8 Silver Effects collection, and this will take a minute to fire up. You can see it up in the top toolbar, and here it comes. So there's the whole Nick 8 interface. Could be an interface of any app. Just for demo purposes, I'll pick a quick alternate preset, and we need to go file, export as. This is the equivalent of save. You need to do some sort of save or export in order to give something to hand back to Lightroom. So we'll say export, even though it's not really exporting to anywhere except to a sort of no man's land in memory. When I hit apply, it is now being passed back over to Lightroom. When I say finish, it's a little bit confusing because at first it appears that nothing actually happens, but you can see that there's now a 2 in the top right of this thumbnail. And in fact, if I go photo, ungroup stack, here we go, you'll see that there's the original, and here is the version that was round trip edited in Nick Silver Effects. So we're getting there.